In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Path of Exile 2 if it's crashing. Well, the first thing that you need to check here is the game's graphical settings. You might want to turn it to the lowest preset. Alright, go ahead and run the game. Turn the settings to low, set everything to low, and save it. Then, play the game and check for any improvements. If that works, just go ahead and download and open up your favorite browser and type in DirectX and hit enter. As you can see here, there's one from Microsoft, DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Just go and click on it. Alright, and here's a big blue button right here. Click on it, and the download process will begin. When you click on Save, just go ahead and hit Save, and run the installer from here. There will be a pop-up. Just click on Yes and follow the simple prompts. I'm not going to install it again as I've already installed it earlier, but just go ahead and follow the simple prompts. Once done, restart your computer, launch the game again, and see if it helps. If that still doesn't work, you might want to update your graphics card drivers. To do so, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, just go ahead and run the NVIDIA app or NVIDIA GeForce Experience. If you have an Intel or AMD graphics card, just look it up online on how to install or update your respective graphics drivers. Alright, going back to NVIDIA, let's go ahead and go to the Drivers tab and make sure that you have installed the latest drivers from here. If you've already installed it before and you're still having problems, try reinstalling it from here. Alright, wait for the process to finish. Once done, restart the computer, launch the game again, and see if it helps. Now, if the graphics still won't work, go to the search bar here and type in Graphics, and the graphics settings will pop up. Just go ahead and click on it. Alright, make sure that hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on. Then, hit the Browse button right here. Simply add your game, and the directory would be in Program Files x86 greater than Steam apps greater than Common. Here, in Common, the Path of Exile folder will be there. Go ahead and open it up and add your game. Once you click on Add, it will land in this particular section right here. Just click on the app and go to Options. Make sure that it is set to High Performance. Once done, hit Save. Don't launch the game yet. Click on the back button right here. Alright, and look for Game Mode. Click on this one right here, Game Mode Settings. Make sure that it is turned on. Once done, go to the left pane again and hit on Game Bar. Make sure that it is turned off. Alright, once done, close this one. Don't launch the game yet. Open up your Steam app, go to the Steam icon right here at the top left, go to Settings, and then go to In-Game. Make sure that Steam Overlay while in-game is turned off. Then, don't launch the game yet. Go to the Downloads tab right here. Click Clear Download Cache right here, and wait for the process to finish. Alright, once it's done, close this one. Locate the game, right-click on it, hit on Properties, go to Install Files, and simply hit on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Alright, once done, close this one and play the game from here. Everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, what if that doesn't work? Well, you might want to check the game's minimum system requirements. Alright, when you go to the game store page, the minimum requirements are listed here. Go ahead and pause the video and read the minimum requirements from here. Now, if one of your hardware components falls short in the list, unfortunately, the game will crash every time you play it. Alright, well, the best thing that you can do here is to upgrade your particular hardware or your computer. And that was all. Subscribe, it's free.